It's a beautiful day here in Westbrook, Connecticut, and it's a great day to show you the Sea Ray 23 SPX. This 23 SPX is outfitted with a 250 horsepower Mercury outboard. It also has an incredible seating layout here. You get a U-shaped seating all the way around. You know, you're able to get a really good space here with a lot of you and your friends. You're all facing each other, and it's just a great entertainment layout for a 23-foot boat. You know, some of the other features and benefits of this boat specifically is the amount of storage that you actually get with this boat. Back here on this aft sun pad, you have a huge storage compartment in here that you can fit water skis, water toys, floaties, everything that you might need on a day on the water, anchored out, having fun with your family, friends, and kids. You also have more dry storage compartments on the port side passageway. You have great dedicated cooler storage here. You have an insulated ice box here. More place to put drinks, food, and it is self-draining, so once that ice melts, it goes right overboard. On your port side, you have this great 3-position lounge here. You just pull up. This is an aft-facing lounge. Comes all the way down to have kind of like a sunbed, and then it comes all the way back up for a companion seat facing forward. You have more dedicated storage along the center line. It's a great place to put your covers, store anything else like water skis. It is pretty deep, it is pretty long, so you can fit a lot of stuff in there. Now, up at the helm, you have this great captain's chair. It does swivel so that the captain can join the party once you get anchored and face your company. You do have a bolster, so you can be sitting or leaning. It's equipped with a Simrad, a Fusion stereo. You also have a couple of USB-C ports down below, a cup holder. On the port side console, you do have more storage in here, or you can get a porta potty and have a head. Moving up to the bow, you have a great seating space as well. You have 2 forward-facing loungers. And the nice part about this bow that you're not going to see on a ton of boats is that they have cushions and padding going all the way up to the gunnel height. So this is a really nice feature when you're in a little bit of rougher seas. People aren't going to bruise up their arms and come out a little bruised. You also have these handles just for your passengers to hang on, feel a little bit more secure, again, when it's a little bit rougher out or you're going a little bit quicker. Forward here, you have your anchor locker. It sits nice in there between these 2 rubber grommets. It really secures the anchor to make sure it's not jiggling around and damaging your fiberglass. Thank you for taking the time to walk through the Sea Ray 23 SPX with me today. My name is Devin, and I would love to answer any of your questions and help you with your boating journey. Please give us a call, and we hope you have a great day.